Greetings! I am the astronomer. Welcome one and all to my observatory. Tonight, I will be showcasing a select few of the planets you can find in the galaxy. Let us start with an easy one. Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system and home to the Martians. Fact, one variant of the Martians invaded Earth not too long ago, only to die from bacteria later. Another Martian race attacked the planet back in 96. Not good times, eh? Let's move on. Here is Venus, home planet to the Venusians. Yes, there is also life on Venus. Over here is our moon. If you're wondering, of course it's inhabited. And here's Neptune, where the Neptunians live. And the next is Pluto, the Plutonians' home world. Look, there are of course a few more planets in our solar system, but you already know about them. So, let's go out of the system and see more beyond, shall we? See that planet there? That is Tatooine, a desert world known for its 2 suns and moisture farms, but also where criminal activity happens. Here we have the snowy Hoth, 6th planet of a remote system of the same name and home to few species such as the Wampas and Tauntauns. And the Moon Endor, homeworld of the Ewoks. Fascinating creatures, if I must say. In the stars is a small hot planet named Mustafar, infamous for its volcanic hellscape, and bears a slight resemblance to Mars. Legend has it Anakin Skywalker died on the planet after losing a duel, but let's not worry about that. More captivating worlds exist out there, like the Wookiees' home Kashyyyk, the classical Naboo, and the gas giant Yavin. Months ago, a battle took place at Yavin, which ended with the destruction of the Death Star, quite the relief. There is a living planet named Ego, but I prefer not to go into details. That aside, I have discovered a counter-Earth of human-animal hybrids. I have considered showing Krypton, the home of Superman. Sadly, the planet no longer exists. I do have another planet to show that's still around, and here it is. This is Mobius. It may look like Earth, but it's not. It is mostly populated by an anthropomorphic race of animals, notably Sonic the Hedgehog. Here is planet Popstar, unique for its star-shaped appearance, and home to the Star Warrior Kirby. There are only a couple more planets left I'd love to show, then we can conclude this lesson. That over there is Cybertron, rendered into what you may call a lifeless husk due to eons of an ongoing war between the Autobots and Decepticons. Then we have another planet with a resemblance to Earth. That's Equus, not too close to our solar system, but not too far either. All I can say is it's the homeworld of magical ponies. Yes, you heard right. Don't get me wrong, I wanted to show more, but there are just so many. I could get to LV-426, yet it's not in best condition. You wonder about other places like Thundera and Hyrule. I am highly positive they are kingdoms, just not on Earth, but their own planets. As for Skylands, home of the Skylanders, most famously Spyro the Dragon, that's up for debate. Okay, I think we have time for one more, because I want to be generous. Here is the last world, and I know what you're thinking, this one is weird, but it is one of my personal favorites. Discworld, such a fantastical place. It is a flat planet which sits on 4 elephants standing on the back of the Great Tatooine as it swims through outer space. And that is all of the planets I have to share. Thank you so much for joining me in this short lesson of astronomy. To those who wonder what I am exactly, I don't have the right time to explain at this moment. Hell, there are some things that are best to remain a mystery until further notice. Okay, I know this is supposed to be educational, but rest assured that children shouldn't really be here. Do you people realize how freaking late it is at this hour, damn it? My apologies. I think it's time you head on home now. Again, thank you for coming, and I hope to re-meet soon. Arrivederci!